Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on that new brush that like brushes and blow dries your hair at the same time. Actually, it's not new. It's been around for a while. It just takes me a while to come around to new things. So I'm going to be using it today on my sister-in-law. So let's get into this video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.